Oh, fuck. Damn it, Tyler, I knew you brought that. I fucking knew you brought that, you son of a bitch.
Oh, that's brutal.
What the fuck was that? Bro! I can get me out of this thing, bro. It fucking stinks. Dude, that's not funny.
Oh my god.
What's that? Hey, why are you laughing?